ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy. He's back, the one and only greatness. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. I know I haven't posted a video in a couple of days. I do have a schedule that I'm going to start going on, but it was your boy's birthday. It was your boy's birthday on January 10th, 19. I'm not going to tell y'all the rest because I don't want y'all to know my age, but January 10th was my birthday, so I just wanted to, just relax and enjoy my birthday. And now that my birthday has passed, and it was nice, by the way, I received a lot of love, but now that my birthday has passed, it's time to get to it. It's time to, because the world is going to know greatness in 2021. The world is going to know greatness in 2021. And just in case you didn't hear me, the world is going to know greatness in 2021. And just in case, listen, if you ain't copped the merch, hit the link down below. Dang, I'm excited for this video. But today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be a Forex Q&A part 1. 2021 Forex Q&A. This is going to be part 1. And I think I'm going to do probably a 3-part series of this because I feel like there's a lot of questions that are not being answered for people. And I want to answer these questions for people in videos. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're not hopping on the computer today. It's just going to be in you. We're going to hop in it. I'm going to answer these questions. And we're going to enjoy the video, ladies and gentlemen. Just in case you did not know, because I didn't let you know early in the video, but y'all know. But just in case you didn't know, I am destined for greatness. And you are destined for greatness too. So let's get in the video, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get in the video. Peace. I'm going to be right back, though. Like, I'm saying? I'm just going to end this, going to be back like that, So, ladies and gentlemen, how I said I'm going to be back, I'm back. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to start off with the first question. And the first question is, what is the difference between Forex and stocks? And now that's going to be a whole nother video in itself, but the top 3 differences between Forex and stocks is, 1, you need a way smaller capital to use Forex. Most times when you're doing stocks, you need to have a bigger capital because the liquidity isn't the same. When you are in the Forex market, you can make things happen. You know what I'm saying? You just need $10 to start an account. You can't start a $10 stock account. You're not going to really see the amount of gains that you would in the Forex market. Second point, how does it work? So Forex, you are buying and selling simultaneously. Stocks, you're either buying or selling. Forex, you are doing both simultaneously. So when you go in, you're buying and selling. Stocks is one or the other. Just think those two differently. And I would say one more point of a difference. Let me see, I have some notes down here. Lower spreads, yes. So the spreads on Forex that you have to pay to your broker are way, way lower. Just using the major pairs. I have 1.5, 0.5 spreads sometimes versus stocks. As you can get the picture, ladies and gentlemen, Forex is better for Forex is a sprint and stocks is a marathon. Forex is a sprint and stocks is a marathon. So we're gonna go to question 2, ladies and gentlemen. Question 2 is, can you trade Forex every day? The answer to that question is no, you cannot trade Forex every day. The foreign exchange market is a 24-hour, 5 days a week, and it closes on Friday around 5:30, and it opens back up on Sunday around 5:30. And that's how you trade. So 24 hours, 5 days a week, that's plenty. You need to have some rest. You shouldn't want to trade 24 hours, 7 days a week anyway. So that's the answer to that question. Third question, how do you get money from Forex? I'm going to make a video on how to make withdrawals. All you need is a Bitcoin wallet. You make your withdrawals to a Bitcoin wallet address. That's all you're doing. So Cash App is a Bitcoin wallet address. Coinbase, they have multiple. I'm going to make a video on that, but that's how you make a withdrawal. So when you make your money, you can withdraw the same day. You just need a Bitcoin address. Question 4, how do you deposit money onto a Forex account? I have a video up on that now. Oh, well, no, I haven't made a video on that yet. I'm going to make a video on that as well. It's the same thing. It's just a different, instead of your Bitcoin address being received, you're going to be sending from your Bitcoin address to your broker. That's how you deposit. So withdrawal, you're going to be getting money sent to you. You're going to be getting Bitcoin sent to you. And when you make a deposit, you're going to be sending Bitcoin to your broker. And that's how you make withdrawals and deposits. Question number 5. How much money do you need to start Forex? You need $100,000 to start Forex. Now I'm playing with you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, you need $10. You can start a $10 account with KOT Forex. You can start a $10 account with them, and you can literally start trading on a $10 account on a 0.01 lot size and make money off of it. $1 a day, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like it's that you can't do that with anything else. $10 is all you need to start investing into Forex. That is it. So ladies and gentlemen, those are the questions that I'm going to answer in this first part of the Q&A. Each one of these videos are going to be about 5 to 6 minutes each. I want to keep them nice and sweet. You know, right now I want to focus on quality over quantity. And I feel like 5 questions, 6 questions, that's nice, sweet. Somebody will watch this video. So moving forward, if you have any questions for the next part of the video, comment down below any questions that you have on Forex, and in my next part series I will answer your questions. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you don't have your merch, if you're not wearing greatness, you need to start wearing some greatness. So go down below, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe. I said comment, like, and subscribe. And just in case you did not know, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. Thank you for checking the video out. Peace.